1, 2.
My second layer here, the second tranche, if you may. It's a funny mix of clayz, Ava, and custom AT&T Walker here. And also the third floor, EXS Gundam MG 1000. I did kind of fuck up the leg here, so he's not the best in condition, as you can see. But yeah, it's not like he's going anywhere. So this bottom row here I have, so in the back, if you can see, it is the Gundam 0083 Stardust Memory series, where the GPO2 and GPO1 and the classic RX-78 and Char Zaku. Obviously can't forget the Wing Gundam and Tallgeese as well. So this one I like to call the rivalries. So you get a mix of different series and rivals in there. I do want to get a Unicorn Gundam so I can match the rivalry with the Shinonzu, and also a Zeta to go with the Queelee. Still working on that, no space unfortunately. And the top habitats of various MGs. You can see here, RGM Sniper, another RGM 79C, and a Quell from Stardust Memories. Also Rick Dom, or is it just Rick? I don't even know. It's Rick. And Zaku from Stardust Memories. So yeah, it's a little bit about what my collection looks like today, and I'm really happy that I finally got this one out of the way, because it's been sitting in my closet for months now, and I did just move here to a new apartment here in New York. Very lovely by the waterside. But yeah, I will catch you guys soon, because I am just starting this whole YouTube thing. Missed the quarantine. I do have some unfinished Gundams here to make that I have on my list. I did get these two from Korea. I believe it's the HG 1 out of 144. This one's a Hot 6 energy drink version, so it's very limited to Korea. And yeah, there was a lot around, but again, it went quickly because it was limited in qualities. I was lucky to get two from the same store. And also, while I was in Korea, I scooped this one. It's a Freedom MG Gundam Base Limited clear color version. This is probably what I would really want to maybe empty one of those, because I'm really running out of space here. Can probably get another one, honestly, but you know, it's quarantine. So anyways, this one I love because the whole entire kit is just clear. The stand is amazing. Like, look at the stand, like, it's incredible detail. You know, definitely worth the hefty price that this one is for. And speaking of, this one I got from New York City Comic-Con or Anime-Con. And you know, you don't really come across the Strike Rogue too much, so I was like, hey, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna get it from there was a Bandai section, I believe, and that one was with Bluefin, the provider. And yeah, I just can't wait to get all these three out of the way. Hopefully with some space here. And space for this guy too.